long did it take for you to go from like trading a personal account to then,
So
finding a
the
profit?
things when I have like 60K, I blow all my money after when I go back, and it was very difficult. And
You
I
blew the 60K.
yeah, I blow the
Yeah.
60K. I blow the 60K. I make I blow all my money after I overtraining. I blow again. I have the psychological issue for everyone can understand that. And this is the reality of trading, and we just must to accept. And after is a game of battle of you and I. So I know I'm strong on my mindset. I have a good mindset, and I say, okay, I'm good on my performance. Probably the training is for me. I analyze myself if it's for me or not. And after I say, okay, let's do it. And I just analyze what is my mistakes and how I can improve that step by step. And it was very difficult because the only blockage was the blockage of fear of losing. And for the first year, I take one challenge, blow it, one challenge, blow it, one challenge, blow it. So I think I spent like $30,000, $40,000. So,
Damn.
so every job I make, every money I make,
And what job were you working at the time?
I work on it everywhere because I never been in the school. Never been in the school because when I was kid, I was some accident and never been in the school. But I learned all by myself. And I remember the first job I had, it was to be a manager in the store. And I found on Google how to become manager. And after I going to the shop, and after I going, I was very good at the sport. I was playing tennis, very good. And I decided to, always to be the more that supplying and keep going. And
what happened with tennis?
on the tennis, during my I started at 5 years old, 6 years old, and after I have accident and I get into the coma for 1 month, and I stopped all. And I was very, very good on the tennis. It was my passion, everything for me. It was like my life. And when I failed, it was very difficult for me to go back, and I tried to.
And how old were you when this happened? Like the
13 years old.
13,
Yeah, 13,
So you were playing already for 8 years.
Yeah, 8 years ago, 8 years and I was very, very good. Probably I can be turned pro, I don't know. But it is. And after, when you have some issue, you want to go back, but I lose the skill and I lose the mindset to be a competitor because I was like a depression and that was very, very difficult. And that was the same in the training, the game of battle with me and the market, but in your mind. So that's why I said for every people, when people must to jump into the training, you just need to learn about yourself because the reflection into the trading is a reflection of your life. And if you didn't fix your life at this point, you can become profitable traders. It's impossible because you have the lack of the money, you have the lack of patience, you have the lack of everything you have in your mind. And when you fix that and you're understanding what is the problem, you can improve step by step.
So a lot of people want to know, right? I mean, it's not an easy thing to fix the mindset, to fix the addiction to greed and fear and all that.
I had that. I had some panic attack, stress, greed, and I cried so many times into the training. People don't think about that because people don't want to speak about that because this is when you're losing in this society and this world, you are not good. But I think you just need to understand first if the training is for you or not. You must to be passionate with the trading. See what's going on. If you like the chart is moving, why is moving? Looking into the fundamentals. Because if you are not passionate, you will never going into free move into the trading. Because why? On the free move, you will lose your money.
Right.
98% of people hate.
So getting into like where you learned, right? So you said you didn't take a course, you didn't take anything. Like what were you doing in the beginning to?
So in the beginning, I find a friend. Girls of me, she walked into the training and she was best trader in FTMO. She make $1 million on FTMO, honestly. And yeah, and she on the crypto, she was very expert on the crypto. She's very, very good. And I said, okay, that's nice. That's crazy. You can make money with that on the phone, on the computer. What's going on? What is these things? And I was very curious, very, very curious. I said, okay. I love when what he's doing. The market is moving, and I feel like passionate I want to understand more. But when I understanding that and I'm learning by my friend, after I'm going for sure on Google, YouTube, everywhere, I find you go on the Google, YouTube, you improve yourself, you improve. But I never have any plan. I just execute the trade, just I see my trade on the past. It was very funny because I just no risk management, just money, close, and it was very good because I have no thing. I never lost on the past, never have any loss. But when I lose big, that's where the blockage coming is. That's why you get back at the beginning. I say,
you get that anxiety, right? That
so
fear.
so the things is, if you have the money on the side and you start trading, you can have more chance to survive like other people don't have the money. So why? Because majority of people with a lack of fund, not a good financial, they will stress by losing the money.